Shugor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Youth Front but ka Women's Wing National People's Party ka 17 North Shillong haringkat baka jingetre lang mat ka Life Focus Society Chennai kala Pynlong ka leadership seminar ka balalong ha Shillong club ha kasing satjan ha kate kasing lawan bani simantalang do ba ransom sutanga president ka Npyf 17 North Shillong block executive committee uba kitbor lang jaran president ka Npyf ka 17 North Shillong ka Lynette Johnson ka baday ka ministry director communication and training ka Life Focus Society kinongket kam ka Npyf kinongelam ka Npyf but kiwe bala syak khats ngo bah kate kasing Hagati kasi kala donru ka jing ai jing hikai ka bakarpang ha kabaya de ka leadership da ka Lynette Johnson kala donru ka kenta ka li jing kali bat ka jing sam khusnam shiki khna ke bala pass bat le abha ka examine high secondary school leaving certificate bat ka secondary school leaving certificate ka barang shudap shen
Commandos 2028 ranked in the HSSLC Science.
One of us, we are called to be the agent of change. And I believe each one of us are responsible to be the agent of change. And the only purpose we exist is to be the agent of change. For our family, for our society, and so on. And today, I am also very happy. You know, in my constituency, in our constituency, 17 North Shillong, very happy. Why? Because today, we have few friends who have made our constituency very proud. And that's why, you know, today we have kept one part of the program, you know, to present the Academic Excellence Award, especially for SSLC candidates and also for HSSLC candidates. It's amazing. And we are the agent of change. We are the agent of change. And you know, the 17 North Shillong constituency, it's called to be the brain of the state of Meghalaya. And I believe, you know, next 5 years from now, we will, you know, produce more people who will bring laureate to this constituency, 17 North Shillong. Okay, and today I'm also very happy to have Lynette. Lynette, she's our friend, and day before yesterday we had a meeting in Vivanta, and we were so blessed with that meeting. And today she will be here, and she will take the sessions on the leadership, be the agent of change, and I hope we will all be blessed.
Compared to my professional and my studies is different. I'm a commerce student. I did my commerce from St. Anthony's. I was a teacher in Karnataka. I was an accountant in Nepal. But my destiny took me to kitchen, you know. It gave me Chinese wok and a chopper. But I left the professional and I came to as a chef. But during my chef period, I had a very good staffs who used to teach me each and every secrets of the formula. So regarding that, I am at this position. I am the executive chef. I run my own business in New York. I have a restaurant there. I have lots of students in India. So, the students who are from hotel industries who wants to join our board, you know. So, I have a link in Facebook. If anybody wants to have, you know, you learn more. More you fail, more you learn. More you fail, more you learn. As I told you, I have started my journey from dishwashing. So I don't want to say much more about that. And I'll tell all the younger generations, please stand on your own feet.